In this demo, instead of focusing on the process of division, we are going to focus at the second term of the divisor. The first term is 2x cubed, so we're going to multiply x plus 2 by 2 and obtain 2x cubed plus 4x squared. We know that the main objective is to cancel the highest degree term at each step. But notice how 4 is a coefficient of x squared at the first subtraction. And when we subtract that from 3x squared to the dividend, we obtain minus x squared. Next time we know we need to multiply the divisor with minus x. Notice how the second term becomes minus 2x, and we get minus 2x on subtraction from minus 4x, and that decides what the next term of the quotient is going to become. Based on this observation, the synthetic division method works. We first write the second term at the left minus most place. Then we write the coefficient of the dividend. In case any term is missing, we would need to write 0 as its coefficient at the respective place. The leading coefficient comes as it is. Then at each step we would multiply this remainder, which would later become the quotient's coefficient, with 2 green in color, and subtract the result, 4 for the first step, from the next coefficient, 3, as shown. We obtain minus 1, so we repeat the same thing. Then again the same thing with minus 2. And finally we get the remainder 9. Note, 9 is the actual remainder as we can see from the long division on the left-hand side. Rest all are the coefficient of the divisors. Before we solve this example, the only catch here is we would need to divide the divisor by 2, which is a coefficient of x. And thus we write 3/2 at the leftmost position. Later, when we obtain the quotient, we need to divide it by 2 to obtain the actual quotient. Let's continue in the same way we proceeded earlier. Here we get the remainder to be 0. Now we would divide this quotient by 2 to get the actual quotient. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting math adventures. Comment below with your solution questions or thoughts.